Hi, my name is Alan Sheffers, and I am a Senior Kofax Consultant with RPI Consultants. In today's video, I will be showing you how to download and install Kofax Capture Service Packs and Fix Packs, specifically Kofax Capture 11 Service Pack 1. The first thing you need to do is download the Fix Pack. So what I will do is, generally I go to Kofax's main website first. And under support, I select customer support. I scroll down, and under capture, I click on overview and downloads. And then under the downloads tab, I select the version that I need. I will be using the Kofax Capture 11 service pack. So I will select Kofax Capture 11, and as I scroll down, I see that the service pack is only available on the Kofax fulfillment site. So I will click on the link to the fulfillment site. I will click login. You may have to create an account, but in order to do that, you will need a Kofax license. So have that handy. I will click on login. And from the View drop-down list, I will select Kofax Capture. And from the download, I will select Kofax Capture 11. I will scroll down to the bottom and select Agree to the terms of the licensing agreement. Click on Proceed. The full version is this one right here, but I need the service pack, so I will click on this. I've already downloaded it, so I don't need to download it again, so I'll go ahead and close the browser, but that's how you get to it. So before I launch the update, I will verify what version I am currently under, and by doing this you can go to any Kofax module and select this little book icon, and it will tell you what version it is. So this is 11.0.397 is the base version of Kofax Capture 11. So I will take note of that. Click OK, and go to my downloads folder. And what you want to do is you want to run this as the administrator. So welcome to the Kofax Capture 11 update program. So basically, this is the update. So we will install this, and generally it takes between 5 and 15 minutes to install updates. Fix packs are a little faster, service packs are a little more involved because it actually updates the database. So we will let this run. More than likely it will reboot and end my meeting. So thank you for watching my video. This update also applies to fix packs, so you do the exact same thing by running the updater. So thank you very much. And thank you for watching my video.